have 0 contacts in this account and I have 16 lead details right over here. I want to create the contact for the same. In just 2 clicks, contacts for this will be created in my Google Contacts. It sounds very unreal, right? But this is real and I'm just going to show you how. You just have to refresh this and you're going to see yes, a total of 6 contacts. Now we have a total of 10, and like this, a total of 16 contacts will be added right over here in my Google Contacts. And yes, they all are added. Same name, same email, same phone number. This isn't a magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to build in today's video. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. Click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect where you can upload 100 contacts for free. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open the dashboard, click on this create workflow, create using a quick builder, and just simply enter your prompt over here. So you want to connect Sheets to Google Contacts. So just type connect Sheets to Google Contacts and then send this right over here, and it is analyzing your request. So just wait, select the trigger event, action event, and click on this approve and create. Then open workflow and you're going to see yes, your workflow is ready. You just have to connect your applications and you're good to go. For spreadsheet, just open it. You're going to find the webhook URL, copy it, click on this recapture webhook response yes, and open your spreadsheet. Go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons, you have to add an extension in the spreadsheet named Pabbly Connect webhook. Search for the same right over here and then simply install this extension which I have already installed. After that, just refresh your spreadsheet and you're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks. Go on this and then towards this initial setup. Once you come on this initial setup, you just have to enter the webhook URL right over here and then the trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. Then click on this submit and you're going to see setup configured successfully. So you have to click on this send test. Once you click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. It has sent this first row towards your workflow. So just open your workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now let me just create a contact for this, but before that I'm just going to delete all the contacts right over here in my Google Contacts so that the new contacts can be created. And now I'm just going to go back towards my workflow and create the contact for this lead. For that, click on this connect and then add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to connect your Google Contacts account. Then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. It is going to ask you for few details. So one by one, enter all the details right over here. But you do not have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do is we have to put a slash and then search for the details which you wish to map and map it like this one by one. It is going to ask you for multiple details, but all of these details are not required. So you can just switch on this mapping button, delete whatever is written and leave all of these fields as blank and click on this save and send test request button. Once you're going to do this, you're going to see yes, you have received the positive response that a new contact is added in your Google Contacts. But not only one, but I want to add contacts in bulk. For that, just open your spreadsheet, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow and the contacts for same will be created. Apart from that, if you switch on this button which is send on event, then what is going to happen is whenever you add the new details, the contact for same will also be created. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll also attach the workflow URL and the amazing discount coupon code using which you can get a very heavy discount in the description box below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone.